Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to use a power drill like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned handyman or just getting started, these tips will help you drill with confidence and precision. Let's dive in. First up, safety. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from flying debris. Gloves will save your hands from nasty splinters, and ear protection can prevent hearing damage from those loud drilling noises. Safety first, folks. Now choosing the right drill bit is crucial. For wood, use a brad point bit. For metal, a high-speed steel bit is your go-to. And for masonry, grab a carbide tipped bit. Simple, right? Next, let's talk about drill settings. Most power drills have multiple speed settings. Use a lower speed for larger bits and harder materials. Higher speeds are perfect for smaller bits and softer materials. Remember, it's all about control. Alright, time to drill. Start by marking your spot with a pencil or a punch. This keeps your bit from wandering. Hold the drill steady at a right angle to your work surface. Apply steady pressure, but let the drill do the work. Don't force it. If you're drilling deep holes, pull the bit out periodically to clear away debris. This helps keep your bit cool and reduces wear. And always make sure your workpiece is securely clamped down. You don't want it spinning out of control. Finally, after you're done, clean your drill bits. Wipe them down and store them properly to keep them sharp and ready for your next project. And that's it. With these tips, you're ready to tackle any drilling task with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy drilling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more DIY tips and tricks.